In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to Notion forms and seamlessly collect data into a Notion database. This process is incredibly useful for anyone looking to streamline data collection in a structured way. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by creating a database in Notion. The key to a successful setup is having a well-organized database where all your data will reside. I recommend setting this up in table view as it's the most intuitive way to visualize your data. Think of this as your data's home base, where all responses will be neatly organized and easily accessible. Open Notion and create a new page, then select Table. You can name it whatever you like, something descriptive about what kind of data you'll be collecting to keep things clear and efficient. Next, let's create the form itself. Notion offers some built-in features for forms, but you may choose to use a third-party form builder that integrates with Notion, depending on your specific needs and preferences. These tools will let you design and customize your form's appearance, asking all the right questions and collecting the data you need. Make sure it aligns perfectly with the columns in your Notion database to ensure seamless integration. The setup process is typically straightforward, with options to drag and drop form fields and arrange them as you please. Now comes the crucial step: linking the form to your Notion database. Head over to the settings of your form where you'll need to specify where the collected responses should be sent. Select your Notion database as the destination. This connection will ensure that every submission via the form is directly populated into the table you've set up in Notion. This seamless link is what makes gathering data effortlessly integrated into your workflow. Before we wrap up, it's important to test everything to make sure it's functioning perfectly. Submit a test entry through your newly created form. This crucial step will verify that the data gets mapped correctly into your Notion database. Ensure that all the fields populate as expected within the database. Testing helps you identify any discrepancies, giving you the chance to troubleshoot before your form goes live. Look for any mismatched fields or missing data that may need attention. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a system that connects your form to your Notion database, making data collection a breeze. This setup is perfect for projects, feedback collection, surveys, and more. Essentially, any scenario where you need structured and automated data handling. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips to optimize your Notion experience.